Ooh, welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. And today for lunch I'm having some ramen noodles with some shredded cheese, some what is it called? Hemp hearts. It's a little powder that I put over it. A shrimp ramen, and then while I was cooking the noodles, I put some of this freeze-dried lime citrus spikes in there. By the way, they do not look like the picture. Um, this is actually what they look like. They're super dark. Let's see if I can focus a little bit better. And a lot of them are the peel side, so it's like all peel and just a little bit of lime. But they still smell wonderful, and they're freeze dried. So I'm assuming somehow the citrus turns like a black or whatever when it gets freeze dried. I don't know. Anyways, they smell great. They added flavor to the water, which of course the noodles sucked up. So yeah, it's just really weird. I thought they were gonna be like that, just freeze dried, but they're all dark in them. So, but they still smell really good, like lime and everything, and they have the flavor of lime. They just don't look very well. And I'll tell you, if they're supposed to be put in drinks, I definitely would rather have them look like this than like they actually do. Because it wouldn't be very attractive if it was black like that in the drink. But anyways, that's what you're kind of supposed to do with it. So, yeah. But they still add good flavor, and that's what I wanted them for. I was hoping to break the lime pieces up and add it to it, but when I opened them up and saw that they were dark like that, I'm like, yeah, no thank you. I don't think I wanted a bunch of dark pieces floating around in my food. So anyways, thought I'd share that with you. But it does add good flavor. So if you can get past the look of them, like I said, I wouldn't want them in a drink or anything. They just don't look very good. And when you're having a drink, you want it to at least look good, I guess, you know? So anyways, that's what I'm having for lunch. And, yeah. I was going to say something else, but I can't think of it suddenly. So anyways, have a blessed day, blessed night, depending on when you watch this. And may God bless each and every one of you to overflowing. And may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. I'm going to go eat lunch. See you next time.